Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers and listeners, let's begin our class today. Today we will begin Presentation 8, Unit 1 as well as Level 1. This is Intercom and Level 1, Unit 1. So this is the beginning of the classes. I hope if you follow it with us, so your English will get better with the passage of time, slowly and gradually. So in this activity we are talking about asking about occupation. When we ask somebody about his occupation, so how can we will ask? जब हम किसी से पूछते हैं कि आपका पेशा क्या है, आप क्या करते हैं, so how can we will ask? In this activity we will do this type of conversation. So what does presentation mean? Peshkash. Mean there will be presentation in the every unit again and again. So inshallah you will learn about them. And similarly asking mean पूछना, सवाल पूछना जैसे हम कहते हैं तो asking mean पूछना. About occupation के बारे में. Here in this activity we will also talk about the contraction form of is not. What's the contraction form of is not? Isn't. Is not, isn't. The native speaker never say that Bilal is not a teacher. They say Bilal isn't a teacher, he is a doctor. Aisha isn't a nurse, she is a professor. So isn't, instead of is not, they use the contraction form isn't. So we should also pronounce isn't. And similarly the contraction form of are not is what? Aren't. Good. Aren't. Yeah. Aren't. Instead of O we will use the apostrophe. When we make any kind of not contraction form, can't, don't, doesn't, or any kind of contraction form, so instead of O we will use apostrophe, only apostrophe, and then we will use not. And in this way we will contract a word or an auxiliary verb. So what's the contraction form of is not? Isn't. Here you see, look at the presentation, repeat after me as well. Is Tom a travel agent? Yes, he is. Is Adela a mechanic? No, she isn't. She's a homemaker. Yeah. Now let's once again I will ask question, you will answer me. Is Tom a travel agent?
Yes, he is.
Is Adela a mechanic?
No, she isn't. She is a homemaker.
Good. When you ask question, so you should adopt the style of a question as well. Because you don't know about the profession of that person, so you should ask about, you should use such an intonation in your voice, ऐसा उतार चढ़ाव अपने आवाज़ में पैदा करो, which ask the question. For example, just like, is Tom a travel agent? Is Adela a mechanic? Right? So in this way you should use it. Yeah. Now you should ask me the question, I will answer you.
Is Adela a travel?
Is Tom? Good. Yes, he is. The second one?
Is Adela a mechanic?
No, she isn't. She is a homemaker. So, dear viewers and listeners, here we are talking about the yes-no question. There are 3-4 type of question. One is information question, one is yes-no question, one is a take question, one is intonation question. All these we will inshallah discuss on their own place. All these will come in this intercom course. But today actually we discuss yes-no question. We discuss what today? Yes, no question. Yes, no question are those questions, the answer of which we can give in the form of yes or no. What type of question? Yes, no question are with the answer of which we can give in the form of yes or no. And usually these begin with is or am, or be auxiliary, or do auxiliary, have auxiliary, and model auxiliary. Inshallah these things also we will discuss with the passage of time. You will learn it. So from these words we use be quiz, yes no question in the beginning. Here dear viewers and listeners, suppose I have written here a sentence. What is this sentence? Bilal is a student. So it's a positive sentence. What kind of sentence? Positive or affirmative sentence mean masbat jumla hai. When we want to make question from it, so we will use the verb in the beginning, auxiliary verb in the end. We will use the subject up in place of the verb, and we will then write I in capital letter. Is Bilal a student? And then we should put question marks over here. Usually when we check the paper of the student, so the student don't write this I capital, they write in this way, is Bilal a student? So this is a mistake. These are mistake. We should take care of the capitalization. We should write as every time. We should use the first letter of a sentence in capital letter. And proper noun, Bilal is a proper noun, isme marifa hai. So we should use every proper noun also in capital letter, whether it come in the middle, in the beginning, or at the end of the sentence. So is Bilal a student? अगर वो student है तो हम क्या कहेंगे? Yes, he is. Because yes no question है. So yes. He is. Yes, he is. Here we will use the strong form. Auxiliary verb usually have two pronunciation. One is weak pronunciation, one is strong pronunciation. Weak pronunciation mean contraction form when we use it in a sentence. But when we do full stop upon it, so then we should use the strong pronunciation. Yes, he is. Right? And suppose Bilal is a student, so is Bilal a student? Yes, he is. और अगर मैं कहो is Bilal a doctor? No. Good. No, he isn't. Then we will use isn't. No, he isn't. He is a student. He is a student. No, he isn't. He is a student. Here we use in the continuous form or the direct form. There is no full stop over here or no stop. So we should use his. But when we make a stop upon the auxiliary verb is or, so then we should use full form of it. So once again, brother, answer me. Is Bilal a student?
Yes, he is.
Is Bilal a doctor?
No, he isn't.
Good. So here also you see I have written some names and I have written their occupation as well. So I will ask you question and you will answer me. Okay, dear viewers and listeners? Yeah. So if I ask you, is Bilal a teacher?
Yes.
Good. Is Bilal a doctor?
No, he isn't.
Good. No, he isn't. He is a teacher. Is Aisha a teacher?
No, she isn't.
Very good. No, she isn't. She's a doctor. Aisha is a doctor. Is your father a doctor?
No, he isn't. She's a shopkeeper.
God. No, he isn't. He is a shopkeeper. Your father is male one. So for male we will use he. For female we will use a she. Is your mother a homemaker? Yes, she is. She is a homemaker. Is Saeed a shopkeeper?
No, he isn't. He's a carpenter.
God. No, he isn't. He is a carpenter. Is Salma a scientist?
No, she isn't. She's a nurse.
No, she isn't. She is a nurse. Is Omar a nurse?
No, he isn't. He's a
Good. No, he isn't. He is a scientist. Is Fatma a scientist?
No, she isn't. She's a principal.
God. No, she isn't. She is a principal. And is Hassan a principal?
No, he isn't. He's a pilot.
He is a pilot. So when we want to ask about the profession of anybody, we will use n in the beginning. For present we will use as in the beginning, and then we will use subject. When we make a question sentence from a positive sentence, so we use the verb in the beginning and then we use subject. And at the end we don't forget to use the full stop. And also don't forget to use the first letter of the sentence in capital letter. Right? Here in this activity, in pronunciation, repeat these with me as well, dear viewers and listener. Is Lisa a student?
Is Lisa a student?
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
Is Gino a police officer?
Is Gino a police officer?
No, he isn't.
No, he isn't.
He is a cook.
is Apu.
Yeah, so now here also an practice is given, but instead of that practice, let's do that practice also quickly. You should ask me the question and I will answer you about the Tom. Yeah, no, he isn't. He's a travel agent. No, she isn't. She's a student. Good. Is Adela a homemaker? Adela is. Yes, she is. She is a homemaker. So from the book, those viewers and listeners who have the book, so that is their homework and they will do this activity. And we will do once again this activity. You should ask me the question. Is Bilal a teacher?
Yes, your teacher.
Suppose you ask me. So yes, he is. Now you should ask me these.
Is Bilal a doctor?
No, he isn't. He's a teacher.
Is Aisha a teacher?
No, she isn't. She's a doctor.
Is your father a doctor?
No, he isn't. He's a shopkeeper.
Is your mother a nurse?
A nurse. No, she isn't. She's a homemaker.
Is Saeed a nurse?
Good. Is Saeed a nurse? So no, he isn't. He's a carpenter. Carpenter mean badi ya tarkan hai. Next one.
Is Salma a nurse?
Good. Is Salma a scientist? So no, she isn't. She's a nurse. Then next one. A nurse. No, he isn't. He's a scientist.
Is Father a scientist?
No, she isn't. She's a principal.
Is Hassan a principal?
No, he isn't. He's a pilot. So we should, in this activity, our basic purpose was to use how to make question from the sentences and how to answer negative sentences. When the subject is singular one. So when the subject is singular one, instead of is not, we should use isn't. Bilal isn't a doctor, he is a teacher. So we should try to discuss it in this way. I think you will have learned this, dear viewers. Try to read this again and again and try to understood it very well and try to understand it very well, and also try to use some other people in your family, in your village, in your locality. Ask about their profession. And practice upon it as much as possible so that you should learn this structure very well. Thank you so much.